1300 degrees Celsius Berge Hales furnace adopts automatic large-screen human-computer interaction interface with accuracy of plus or minus 1 degree Celsius. The door integrated with trolley can move forward and backward electrically. Lightweight refractory bricks as insulating line with high-strength feature. High-quality Sweden cathode heat element are radiated on 5 sides to form a highly uniform temperature field for 1200 degrees Celsius working. The furnace top install an automatic flip-top exhaust port for automatic debinding process of materials. The furnace are mainly used in heat treatment processes such as debinding, annealing, and sintering of glass, metal, ceramics, composite materials, and organic synthetic materials.